how to use Buildium tutorial for beginners. Hey everyone, if you are a landlord, property manager, or someone who is thinking about managing rental properties online, this video is for you. Today, I am going to complete a beginner-friendly tutorial on Buildium step by step, and by the end of this video, you will know how to use every part of it and even create your first lease or property listing. Now, if you don't know and if you are new, what is Buildium? So basically, Buildium is a cloud-based property management software designed for landlords and property manager to manage residential and association properties. Now, you can handle everything from rent collection to accounting to lease tracking and maintenance request, tenant and screening, and even communication all in one place. Think of it as your virtual property manager assistant, helping you to automate and streamline your property's business. Now, let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is come to this Buildium.com and something will look like this. Now, they have paid plans as well. Now, we will go with the free trial. Just simply click on the free trial in the right, and they will ask you about your first name. I will just give you I will give the random name, and then I will give the random last name, and I will add my email over here. Let's go back to my Gmail and copy that Gmail which I used to simply paste it over here and click on the create account. Now over here, what you have to do, you have to give your company name, phone number, the number of units you have, the portfolio type, if it is rental or rental and association you can choose from this type. You have to set the password and click on the uh, privacy policy agreement and click on the create your free trial. And after doing all of this, it will create something, it will appear something like this. This is a basic dashboard of Buildium. Let's walk through everything on the left side panel of the Buildium dashboard in the detail. This is a side menu is your navigation panel for managing properties, tenants, finance, and communications. Here what each section does. If you see in the dashboard, there is a purpose. This is the home screen. It gives a quick overview of outstanding balance, task, rental insurance, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will get overdues, task, expiring leases. So basically, it is great for quick insights into current issues and what needs immediate attention. So this is you will get to see in the dashboard. It's basically homepage. Now, if you go into rent, so rent is a it is purpose of manage rent units, tenants, and leases. You can use this for add or edit properties units. As you can see here, there is an option of properties. From here, you can add your own property. You can add tenant if you want. If you want to add a rent roll, you can add that too. You can track rental history as well. Now, let's move to another one. This is a leasing. The leasing is you can oversees leasing activity and processes. The you can use for tracking applications, run background checks, approve or reject applicants, manage lease renewals. Now let's move to accounting. So accounting is basically the purpose of accounting is full financial management models. Now, if you see, there are lots of options. From here, you can record payments and you can create and send invoices. You can manage owners and vendors payments. Now you can track income and expense for each property as well from here. Now you can add your bank account as well. Now let's go to maintenance. In the maintenance, here you can manage repair and maintenance request as well. You can view like you can view and assign maintenance tasks. You can log updates and maintenance progress as well. You can communicate with the vendors. If you want to add vendors, you can add from years. Work order and property inspection if you want to go in that. You can just simply go, and you can schedule recurring maintenance as well. If you go into task, in the task is for task management center. From here you can track open and complete task as well. You can assign tasks to the team members, so it will complete that task. You can set due dates and properties, so you can manage the days, if any task is going in the day properly or not. You can follow up on pending items as well. If you go into communication, the communication is for a messaging and alert system, and you can send email or text or announcement to tenants or owners. You can just simply just send one message, and it will it will goes like alert message. Set up automated reminders for rents, maintenance, so you don't need to go again and again ask for rent. Just set up a automated reminder for each tenant. You can just simply add that, and it will go that message monthly. Now, if you go into files, so file is basically you can store your document, and you can share your document from here. You can upload leases and recipients and reports or any relevant documents over here. You can share files securely with tenants or owners in very easily. Now, if you go into reports, report is basically here you can generate insights and data reports. You can run reports on income, expensive, delinquency, and maintenance, etc. Export data to Excel or PDF. You can use for text or financial analysis. Now, if you go into Analytics Hub, so this is for visual analytics and tenants. You can just simply click on wherever you want, and you can spot trends in the rent collection and occupancy, maintenance cost, and it etc. You can just simply uh, spot trends into that. Now, make data-driven decision using charts and dashboards from analytics hubs. You can see for that you have to buy the subscription of the Buildium to get this feature. Now, if you go into add-ons, so add-ons on services is basically extra paid services offered by Buildium. From here, you can order background checks. You can order background checks, enable tenant screening, and add payment processing insurance as well. So as you can see, they have a lot of option over here. Now you can buy. So this is a basic uh, Buildium. If you talk about the pricing of Buildium, so it comes with a 14 days trial. You can just simply trial it. Now, if you want, let's enter the units. Click on the connect. Here from here you can choose your essential plan, growth, premium. So you can use that. And if you want to, like, if you want a monthly build, you can choose monthly as well, but you have to pay little extra. But if you buy annually, you have to pay like 10%. You will save 10% in this plan. Now, the essential is where you can get accounting, standard report, maintenance and task, communication, orientations, and yeah, a lot of things you can get into essential as well. Let's go back to our dashboard. Now, let's add a property and tenant and collect rent as well. What you have to do to add property, go into rents and choose property in the left side. From here, it will redirect to a new page. Now, what you have to do is click on the add property, and in the top, as you can see, there is a green button over here. Just simply click on it, and from here you can add a new property. What is type of property? You have to select it, like it is, if it is like condo or townhome or multi-family, single family. If it is commercial, you can choose it. Now I will choose single family. Now you have to give the address. So what I will do, I will just give the address, a random address, like VIP road. Okay. Let's search for Guwahati, Guwahati pin code. This is like this is Indian city, so I will search Guwahati pin code, copy that zip code, copy, paste it over here. Now let's remove some numbers. Now you can add extra address as well. VIP Road, Zirak, Xerapura. Now let's move to another uh, near ice cream shop. Guwahati. Now, who is the property owner? You can add this information will be used to help to prepare owner draw. Like just simply add a rental owner. From here, you can choose existing rental owner. From here, to uh, just for example, I will choose this one. Click on the save. So if you want to add another rental owner, you can do that. What are the property primary bank accounts? If you want to add a primary bank account, you can add that too. Just simply deposit trust, rental account, property reserve. Over here, you have to add some amount. For example, this one. Who will be the primary manager of this property? It will be Maker Locket. Now, after adding all of the information, what you can do is just simply create a property. Now, uh, the thing is, you have to add your own engine one details over here because I have added some random stuff over here. So you don't need to add that kind of stuff in this website. Just simply click on the create property, and we have successfully created our first property. Now, company saving 6780 and deposit trust account rental. Oh, okay. This is just a example bank account. And if you want to add a description, you can add over here, and you can add amenities as well. So if you want to include in a rented, you can add some things over here into rent. Now we have successfully created our property over here. Now let's add a lease and tenant. What you can do is just simply click on the tenant rents, and from here you have to click on the tenants. Now, in the left side, there is an option, red, not ref, left in the top, you will get to see there is a add a lease. What you can do is just simply add a lease, click on the add lease. Uh, you can here search for signature status is signed. Now select the property. Now I will choose this property which we have created earlier. Now lease type is fixed. Start date is around 26 to end date will be 5/25. So okay, it's like total 1 year. Now let's approve applicant and tenant and consigners. Just add approve applications over here. Just simply click on it. Now you have to add the tenant and tenant information over here. Choose existing tenant or applicants. I will choose that, but you have to add your original tenant's information over here. So I will just simply, just for sake of tutorial, I will just add a tenant. Now we have successfully added again a tenant. Now let's invite tenant and collect rent online. What you can do is go to residential, click on the rents over here. Now uh, let's say if you want to add vendors, again you can go there and click on add vendors, give a first name, last name, company name, category, and from here you can select the expense amount, account number. Yeah, you can fill all of the details and click on the vendors. It will create a vendor again. Now that's it, how you use Buildium step by step. Even if you are a complete a beginner, you learn how to navigate the dashboard. You can manage properties and tenants, handle leases and maintenance, and you can add vendors as well from here. Now, if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos or tutorials. And if you have any questions about Buildium, just drop them in the comment section. I will help you. Happy to help you out. Just simply like that video and thanks for watching.